Okay, welcome to the Chef Jeff channel cooking show. I'm Chef Bruh.
I'm Chef Nuts with a Z.
Okay, we're making sugar honey iced tea. So what you need is well, iced tea, you need honey, and you need sugar. And this is a secret ingredient. We're not gonna show you what it is. Figure it out for yourself. And so, step one, you just pour the iced tea in your cup.
Whoa!
Whoa.
You know, stop it there.
Okay, so step one, get your iced tea. We already have ice in there, see? And then you pour it in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Then you get your honey. Yeah, a nice dollop of honey. All right, that's good. Then you get your sugar. Yeah, that's enough. And stir it. And all right, there you go. Sugar honey iced tea.
All right, this is the sugar honey iced tea taste test. Real good.
Thank you guys for the 5 subs. See you later. No.